As is so often the case, we get a break on the temperature side, but it comes with side effects, of course.
Yes. It's rare to get 50s this time of year and not have it be, and then it's going to rain. But actually, today's kind of a nice day. I was doing a couple of things like having to get my yard ready for snow.
I think a lot of people are in that spot.
Yeah,
Keep
I'm
putting
like,
it off a little bit.
Yeah, I'm like, there's a couple things
Feels
just
weird.
like hanging out there. So I went out and did that today. And I think today is a good day for that kind of, like I sell lawn chairs and stuff out there. It's just like,
Bring those in already.
yeah, I mean, it's just not going to happen. I'm not. What scenario am I sitting outside, for a while? 51 is where we're sitting at right now in Portland. 51 in Wisconsin, 53 in Sanford, even inland into the 40s. And so when this precipitation arrives, obviously we are looking at rain. Cloud cover has been about what I thought. A lot of clouds, but a couple of breaks. One down into York County and southern Cumberland County. So Portland actually specifically probably going to see a little bit of sun here through the middle of the day. But the rain's not far behind. You can see it working into the northeast kingdom of Vermont. We probably talked about this before, but there's a radar hole right out here, out towards St. Johnsbury here, and that's because the radar is in Burlington, and then our radar is in Gray, and so it doesn't really see in that area very well. So what I'm getting at is the rain's probably a little bit closer than it appears. Zoom out, we've got a lot more to go through this afternoon, tonight, tomorrow, and then early tomorrow night before we get this system out of here. But look, the rain-snow line. What strikes me about this, it's not crazy that it's not snowing, especially over southern Maine in early December, but it hasn't even been close. The rain-snow line has been way up in Canada, and so that's what we're going to deal with this afternoon as the rain moves in. It's just pockets of moderate to heavy rain, especially over southern Maine. Through tomorrow morning, tomorrow is a dreary day with off and on periods of rain. Temperatures again, upper 40s to around 50 along the coastline. It's cooler in the mountains, but not cool enough to provide any snow. That rain continues through tomorrow afternoon, early tomorrow night. This is 8, 9 o'clock, and then we move this out of here, and we're able to clear out. And Thursday is going to be breezy, which you can't see here, but it's actually a decent day with temperatures in the mid and upper 40s, but the wind will make it feel a little bit cooler. And the same deal on Friday, which is also a pretty nice day, but it's also pretty breezy. So rainfall amounts here from the system, about an inch. If anything, the models have kind of pushed this up a little bit, upped the amounts. They were putting out 3/4, now they're putting out an inch to an inch and a quarter. So it looks like it'll be a little bit wetter than originally anticipated. So there's that low, moves out of here. Things nicer on Thursday afternoon. Friday looks good. The weekend's fine. There's a storm nearby on Saturday, but it stays offshore, but it's close. So there's probably quite a bit of cloud cover along the coastline, especially on Saturday. Where's that snowstorm we've been waiting for? I don't know. It almost feels like at this point something's going to have to back in, because that's what, look at Saturday. This storm's trying to back in, doesn't quite get there, and then gets pushed out of the way. There's still something hanging around the middle of the month, but fool me once, fool me twice, all that. This pattern has yet to deliver. Interesting side note on that front, Brian, if you follow natural gas at all, which people do now because it costs a lot of money, it has plummeted over the last 2 weeks because the negative NAO was supposed to bring us colder, snowier weather, which drives up demand for natural gas and heating and all that. And now as we get closer and it's not coming,
guess what?
The prices are coming down. It's very interesting to watch all that happen based on weather for us. This next storm here tonight, tomorrow is the biggest thing in our 7-day, and then we'll see what happens after that.
Question is on the temperature down the road.
Right. Are we going to
switch is going to
get
come.
into winter? But I'm not in a huge hurry. So.
No, we're all right with it. All right, Keith, thanks so much.